Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this spring kind of glam, everyday glam, kind of pretty glowy spring makeup tutorial because it has been hot the past couple days. So me being me, I've put on my bandeau top, some ripped mum jeans.
And I feel really spring.
I thought what better way to get in the spring...
I just spat.
I thought what better way to get in the spring spirit, that is really hard to say without spitting everywhere, I'm not gonna lie, then to do a makeup tutorial when you're a beauty guru, am I right? So that's what I did. If you want to see how to get this soft glam, natural glam, kind of glam, I don't know, makeup tutorial, just keep on watching because that's what today's video is. Before you watch it, remember to like, comment, subscribe if you are new here, to my post notification bell as well, and that way you don't miss any of my uploads. Yeah, without further ado, let's get on with me showing you how to do this makeup. All right, let go.
Oh, also you can follow me on my social medias in the description box.
Let's go. I'm gonna start off with MAC Strobe Cream, which I'm basically out of. This is in the shade Gold Light. My ear is so beyond itchy. You know when like you have a scar and it's healing and it just is the most itchy thing in the world?
That is what I'm going through right now.
So feel bad for me. Sorry, my mirror's over here, so if I'm looking over here, I'm not being rude, just my mirror's here. I wasn't sure if I wanted to film this video, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna channel my inner Zoella. I remember when she always used to do those little spring makeup, summer makeup, autumn makeup,
winter makeup.
Before anyone says that's a read on Zoella, it's not. I feel like it's suddenly got hot here in England, even though it's February 24. Isn't the first day of spring on March 21st? So spring is still like a month away.
I was like, get this out there before everyone else does, right?
I'm mixing together my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Sand, because everyone always asks me what shade that is. I'm gonna blend that around my face. Also, before anyone comments on my ears being a different color to my face,
I know.
and yes, my foundation is too dark for my face,
But I have fake tan on.
so it matches. Ah, my ear is so beyond itchy. I'm like a kid with chicken pox. I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced high coverage
Thing.
in the shade Vanilla. I'm gonna blend that out with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Canal. Best concealer. I have not done a makeup tutorial, just like a sit down makeup tutorial, in a good while, I feel like. These are my favorite types of videos to film, but I feel like no one really cares.
Around me are familiar faces.
I feel like it's only been a couple weeks, but because I upload quite a lot on my channel, as you guys probably know, it's been like at least 10 videos since I did just like a makeup thing, I think. This is my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. I'm not baking with this. You can obviously bake with this if you want to. Guys, I feel like spring is genuinely coming so quickly. The other day, I was walking outside with 3 jackets on.
And now I can go outside with one.
If you live in England, you know what I'm talking about. This is the Laura Mercier Glow Powder. I discovered this the other day. Best thing in the world. And I'm just applying this on my beauty blender all over my skin, bouncing it on.
I feel like this is more of like a get ready with me, but I'm not really going anywhere.
I'm just talking so much because I feel like I haven't done a video where I just sit down and talk. Like, I love talking.
Wow, you really like the sound of your own voice, don't you, Kirsty?
What I mean is I love talking to you guys. I think that's all set. I feel like spring
Maybe sometimes even more than summer.
is where you really whip out your glowy, highlighted, pretty stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Foolish from the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. And I'm gonna start applying that through the crease of my eye. I haven't done a look like this in ages. I used to only wear like pink eyeshadows because I just thought they looked the cutest. I still think they do look really cute. I've just been more into like neutral kind of things at the moment. I feel like spring to me is always just like peachy, pretty colors. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Okay, and now I'm going in with the tiniest bit of the shade Basic, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna mix it with Foolish. I'm gonna take that further through my crease. That's the one. I'm also gonna take this into the outer corner. Guys, I went out for dinner last night and it was so peng. I went to Nobu.
If you guys know me, you know that is my favorite restaurant on earth.
I don't know what the point in me telling you that was, but just thought little life update, you know, why not? Is it just me or do these two colors look very similar?
Maybe not on camera, but in person they do.
Anyway, I'm gonna go in with Guilty, I guess. I'm going in with my Anastasia Liquid Glow in the shade Peach Fizz. This is the prettiest thing on the eyelids, honestly, I swear to God. This is what I put on my eyelids every day at the moment, and I just love it. I use it as a base for like other eyeshadows. And then for the lid shade, I'm actually going to go in with a different palette, and I'm going to use the Beauty Bay Fiery Shimmer palette. I think that's what it's called. They sent this over to me. Shout out to Beauty Bay. And I'm going to go in with the shade Peach Goddess, which is this one right here. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Hollywood as well.
I never know now when I have to put hashtag gifted.
I'm going to go in with the shade SOS, which is the shade right here. It's really pretty.
Oh my god.
Do you guys see that? That is stunning. I really should have zoomed you guys in for this, but
I keep forgot.
eyeliner. Should I do it on camera for you guys? Because you guys always ask for it. Oh, that is very zoomed in. I'm very easily going to go out of frame. What I do is I just line the top of it and then I draw the wing on.
I'm so close up, this is making me uncomfortable.
Oh my god, that's awful. As soon as I decided to do it on camera, it's the pressure it gets to me. She's thick.
A lot thicker than we wanted her to be.
We're gonna have to fix that. She's about to be a skinny legend. Okay, this has gone to Shit, I'm definitely gonna have to do the other eye off camera. So I'm gonna do this eye, like wing liner off camera, and then I'm gonna do my lashes and my eyebrows off camera as well, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm wearing a top. Don't worry, I got changed because I was uncomfortable in the hoodie. I know that sounds weird because it's a hoodie, but I wasn't feeling it. I'm going in with this Marc Jacobs bronzer in the shade Hand Trick. You guys know this is like freaking amazing. And a lot of you guys don't like how I do my bronzer and whatever, but you know what? I think it looks cute. If you want to know how I do it, I'm going in with 3D Brow Tones by Benefit. It's in the shade like 344. If you guys are wondering what I did for lashes, is I have these like old lashes. I have no idea. I think these were some random tatty lashes, and I cut off the end of them and then I stick them on the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with Peach Goddess shade and mix it with All That Glitters, which is this white shade from the Beauty Bay palette again, and I'm gonna take this into my inner corner. I'm going in with this highlighter from the Sub-Zero palette. It's called Baby, and I'm going to take that into my inner corner. Can't wait for lunch. It's like 12 o'clock. Gassed. What should I eat? Should I be a skinny legend and just have a smoothie? Because I'm really craving a smoothie. I make, honestly, the best smoothies in the world. Pineapple, mango, ice, and apple juice. And it's the best thing, and you guys have to try it.
Shout me out when you love it.
I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer because it's slightly more cool tone, so it just adds a little bit of shadow, but not too much. I could like fully cut my cheekbones.
Should I cut my cheekbones?
Oh, Hubba Bubba. I want Hubba Bubba. I want Hubba Bubba. I act like I'm 5 still. Like, I love Hubba Bubba so much. I'm gonna go in with the basic shade under my eye. I'm gonna go in with this Liquid Glow by Anastasia again because it's pink. And just a little bit of it, and I'm gonna take it on my finger onto my cheekbones. I'm gonna go in with this Inglot highlighter in the shade. It's a sparkling dust face, eyes, body in the shade 01. Remember when these used to be a thing? I had this for so long and I found it in my cupboard the other day. I was like, might as well try it out again. And it is
insane.
I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Eye Kohl, and I'm gonna take this like slightly under my eye. Trying to film YouTube videos like in London just ain't the one, I swear to God, but like, oh well. I'm gonna go in with this lip liner in the shade East End Snob. It's by Rimmel, might as well try it, right? I'll put the lip gloss on off camera, then I'll come back to tell you guys what lip glosses they were because I don't know which ones I'm gonna use yet. 1 minute. So here is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. The lip glosses that I used were Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, just like the original one, and MAC Mystic Powers. So if you were wondering, I wanna highlight these. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, did I get carried away there? Maybe a little bit.
Oh, definitely a little bit.
And that's it for today's video. So if you guys did enjoy it, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, turn on my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads.
You know the drill with that.
Yeah, if you do recreate this makeup look, let me know in the comments. Send me your photos on Instagram, social medias in the description box. Let me know if you want more makeup videos, because obviously I am predominantly a makeup channel. That is what I brand myself as. Ow, I just hit my ankle with my phone.
Around me are familiar faces.
Like, I don't know if you guys like my makeup videos still, or if you want other types of videos, so let me know in the comments what types of videos you want to see. If you want more makeup, more vlogs, more whatever, let me know. That's it for today's video, so I really hope you guys did enjoy it, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, love you, mwah.